Namaskara, welcome back to Aesthetic Bites Kriti. Today I am making Karvalli Style Mackerel Bangude Fish Curry. Now take a clean bangda. Now apply some salt, turmeric and lemon. Mix it well and let it marinate say 10 to 15 minutes. This fish will absorb salt and lemon flavors. Give it a mix. Now take a jar, add a grated coconut, add 8 to 10 badgi chilies, 1 lemon sized tamarind, ginger and garlic, add 1/4 of methi seeds, 1/4 of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seed, 1/4 of ajwain, add 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 1 onion, 1/4 of black pepper, required amount of water for the grinding, add turmeric, mix well and grind well. Add this mixture into a vessel. Add required amount of water, how much consistency you need for your fish curry. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a mix. Add tepal jummankai. Add fish to the boiling masala. Slow cook till the fish absorbs every bit of that masala. Now add green chilies, a julienne of ginger, 1 to 2 spoon of coconut oil. Just wow! Rich coconut, fresh masala and the coastal spices. The aroma fills the whole house. Trust me, you will lick your fingers till the last drop and a pure magic on a plate. Try Madi once and I will bet you will make it again. Serve with hot rice, roti or enjoy it as it is. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more authentic recipes. And please let me know in the comments if you have tried this Bangude Mackerel Curry. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.